Alamin natin ang launching patungkol po sa local beauty product. Lahat ng yan kasama si Carla Paderna sa One Life.
Good morning mga boss, andito ko sa isang launching ng isang skin product. Halika at alamin natin kung ano ba ang kailangan nating mga girls na skin product for this summer. Sa tingin mo, ano ba dapat hindi mawala sa makeup kit ng mga babae misala this summer?
Super important that you have a great skincare product that has sun protection, so you're protected from the harmful rays of the sun, as well as feeling fresh and smooth all day.
And bakit naman si Jasmine Curtis ang yung bagong face?
She lives beautiful. Living beautiful is despite her hectic schedule, she makes sure na inaalagaan niya yung sarili niya at ina-enhance niya continuously yung beauty niya, believing that it is a source of strength and an enabler for her to achieve her dreams.
Ayan mga boss, sana madami kayong natutunan ngayon. Alam na natin, basta summer, we need SPF. Basta fashion mga boss, I always have something new para sa inyo. At ito po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.